Hey guys, want to go on a seller appointment with me? Well, grab your bags and tune in all the way to the end. If you're new to my channel, I'm Dara, real estate investor and entrepreneur out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm actually on my way out to go check out a property with an owner-occupied lead. It's in a great area right by the airport. They said that it'll need $20,000 to $25,000 in work, so we shall see. This is a breakfast nook in the kitchen. Is that a monkey? Oh my god. Whoa.
They're mean. Well,
They're mean?
no, only one of them is.
Oh my god.
He is nice. She is not.
The female is the only one.
How do you tell the difference? Because the white around their face?
No, they look exactly alike.
Yeah, they do.
Their hair is like different colors.
Oh.
And you can see their privates.
Okay, yeah, just now I didn't see. What kind of monkeys are those?
They're marmosets.
Marmosets. They must be infants, like really young.
Oh,
No, they're
full grown.
oldest.
Really?
It's
So that's
just
the size? That's
Yeah.
the size of squirrels.
Oh, wow. Right.
And if they don't like you, they'll go up to your ears and start biting your ears.
Oh my god.
And you let them out and automatically jump on your shoulder. Doesn't
No,
matter
thank
who it is.
you. Yeah, no
But the
thanks.
female, if she doesn't like you, she'll bite your ears.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy only does it whenever he's like you mess with
The
him.
male really doesn't. He'll go get on anybody's shoulder and doesn't do it.
How long
He'll
have
try
you,
to get it in your mouth too.
how long have you had him?
About a year.
That's the first. I've never seen monkeys outside of the zoo, actually. And what is? And this is to what, the
Oh, that's a fancy.
pantry?
No, that's a foyer.
Oh,
I can't move anything. I just had surgery on my shoulder and my back.
oh no.
So there's a heavy mattress in here and I can't get it out. Usually the door, a lot of air comes into there.
So this is
And I've
the
been
front
trying to
door.
heat the house with just the fireplace. So,
Well, is that the inside?
yeah, that's the main entrance.
Oh, okay. Is there no central heat in the house?
It's got AC, but the thermostat, they cut the power off of it somehow. I don't know how.
Oh. Oh, here we go. Hardwood floors. Okay.
solid hardwood.
Yeah.
I redid it, sanded it down.
Oh, you did it yourself?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is all things that we did like.
Yeah, I did
Oh, you painted this?
did all the interior trim.
Oh.
All the moldings.
So you're handy.
Yeah.
Good. And you too? Yeah. So this is the living room that leads into the kitchen.
Oh, this is really far. Oh, no, it's not getting
Let's go to the bedrooms right here. This is the main entrance.
There are people coming after.
Down to the basement. Is it okay if we go into the rooms?
Yeah.
Okay.
The rooms are kind of mushy too.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, nice
Well, the
hardwood
two-
floors.
This one right here is. This one's clean.
Okay. this a shed or what is this?
Yeah, it's a shed.
Oh, okay. And more dogs, it sounds like.
Yeah, there is one dog here.
Oh, this one's rowdy.
Look. Look at that. Look.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Probably gonna take a lot of tools in here.
You guys are handy and have a lot of animals. So all of this is still your property? All of
Yeah.
Okay. That dog sounds.
Oh, they're fine. They're just fine because they don't food.
Are they all caged up?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Wow. This one's
She's the crazy one.
They all look crazy.
I don't know about her.
That
She's
one,
a sweetheart. She will not buy anybody.
is she just excited?
Yeah. They won't. Hey, go! Stop!
Fine.
They want.
Oh, okay. Get them what they want now. All right, there you have it. That was the seller appointment. And as you saw, the property needs a lot of work. But more than just that, it's something I really never talked about with the homeowner. I talked more about his interests, his kids' interests. It was a lot of it was off camera as well, but he explained to me his entire situation, why he's having to sell, and it was really all about building rapport. So of course I asked questions like, oh, is this about this room and this room? But more than just that, you got to look around. If they have a KISS poster on the wall, ask them about KISS. If they have, I've seen a lot of properties where they have veterans medals. I'm like, oh, were you in the war, in the army? And then you just find things around the house to start talking about. You know, they have magnets on the refrigerator or pictures hanging up in the living room. Is this your daughter or your granddaughter? Who is this to you? You know, this particular guy had a couple magnets on his refrigerator. One of them was Mexico, so we started talking about that. So that's really is just what you build on the phone as far as rapport. You just take that 10x it in person. I hope that you got something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you in the next one.